Hi guys, I just wanted to show you a little project I'm doing. I've got this old paella pan. It's all rusty, it's no good. Didn't want to throw it away. What I'm actually going to make is an outside clock. So I've sanded it all down. I'm going to spray it up. I've put a hole in the centre, marked out my centre, put a hole in the centre. So I'll show you once I've got the inside and outside sprayed up. As you can see, I've now painted it up. I'll just give it a couple of coats of paint. I love the fact that it's all still rust bumpy. I've shown you I've put a centre hole where the clock mechanism goes, and what I've done, I've just marked out the 12, 3, 6 and 9. They're going to be coloured screws that are going to fasten it back to the wall, and also act as a marker for the time as well. Yeah, I'm going to mark it out, position it where I want it on the wall. As you can see, I've now fitted the clock mechanism. All it is, it was just a kit off Amazon. I think it cost about €7, and we fitted it to the paella dish, all ready to go. I've just got to put a battery in, and then we're going to mount it on the wall. Well, the clock's in position now. Looks really good. Brilliant use of an old rusty paella dish. Very little cost and quite effective. Please like and subscribe. More videos to come. Thanks for watching. Bye.